In this video I will show you how can you hide your video icon from your Facebook page. You can see it's my video icon here. From here I will can see all kind of reel or like of that kind of thing, but sometimes it can be time spending thing or wasting time thing for us. That's why sometimes we want to hide that option. That's why I'm making this video. If you want to hide, then it can be helpful for you. So for hiding the video icon option, you have to simply go here, three line. You can see here three line. After come here on the three line, you have to scroll down for some time, and then you can see here settings and privacy. You have to simply click here settings and privacy, then settings. After that you have to scroll down for some time, and then you can see here tab bar. You have to simply click here tab bar and customize tab and navigation tab, and then you have to simply click here video pinned, and then you have to click here hide. You can see here option hide. Then after clicking hide, your video option will be hide from your Facebook. You can see here, if I go there in my Facebook profile again, I will cannot see the video icon in here the Facebook page. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.